as the new Miss USA.
Former Miss USA Chesley Christ is dead. Police say she jumped from a Manhattan apartment building over the weekend. Her death comes less than 3 years since winning the crown.
And her passing, like so many other suicides, leaving many to wonder what, if anything, could have been done to prevent this tragedy.
I mean, she, to me, was epitome of a role model.
Chelsea Christ won the 2019 Miss USA pageant, had a law degree, worked as an on-air correspondent for Extra, and seemingly had everything to live for.
People may seem happy, they may seem keeping it together, but we don't know what's going on inside them.
Because of the stigma surrounding the words depression and mental illness, Dr. Gilani with Alabama Psychiatry says so many people suffer in silence.
So we have to start accepting that this is common, this is happening, and we just need to make sure that they are not being judged for having a mental illness because it's not a character flaw.
Common suicide risk factors are a history of mental illness, depression, and anxiety. And there are often telltale signs when a person is in a bad place.
If there is a change that people are not taking care of themselves, the people who are always sharply dressed, all of a sudden they are not. People who are not able to sleep or sleeping too much, not able to eat or eating too much.
Dr. Gilani says that's when it's important to gently approach someone about their well-being. Reach out early on and often.
We know from the WHO and CDC that 1 in 4 people are struggling with mental health. And if somebody in your family and friends is struggling, then reach out for help.
And we want to remind you, if you or someone you know is feeling suicidal or emotional distress, you can always call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 1-800-273-TALK. That number is right there on your screen. Don't hesitate to call.